Rotary year marks the new organization's theme, Be the Inspiration. The team wants to inspire change in the world by making a difference in every step we make. The recent collaborative project of Rotary Club of Mosman, New South Wales, Australia, under the Rotary District 9685 and Rotary Club of Cotabato East, Cotabato City, Philippines, under the Rotary District 3870, further manifested the team's mission of being the inspiration by means of coordinating with the Wheelchair for Kids Foundation Incorporated, based in Australia. Wheelchair for Kids Incorporated is an organization whose mission is to manufacture and distribute wheelchairs to children who are less privileged by assisting them with the means to raise them off the ground from where they are presently confined. And again, a new level of freedom and mobility.
So, ma'am, may I ask you, what inspired you, or who inspired you to do these things, to help other people? Who inspired you, or what motivated you to do such?
I think I have a culture of helping other people. When I was young, I was the president of the Red Cross Society, and I also in school I take leadership position, and I try to help other children or other classmates who are less fortunate than I am. So when you say inspire, I think it's my parents too, you know, the home environment that encourages me to do good things. So when you encourage, if I do something good, my parents are very happy. Yes.
Ganun talaga ang posisyon ng posture ng katawan. Because of this, I've chosen to do his assessment in mind. Okay, so dapat i-assess muna siya. So for tomorrow and also this afternoon, for your beneficiary, you make the decision whether you think best for them in sitting or in lying. Okay, so ngayon pa lang,
What did you learn during the 2-day seminar workshop?
I have learned many things. Hence, I have learned the true essence of service.
Check materials. Really important. Be a chair for a while. Chair. Next, sit cushion. Sit cushion.
kong na ang pagtulong sa ibang tao ay mahalaga para sa akin.
Meron yan siya ngayon, pero hindi pa ano.
Yung panglang.
Kasi yung akin pa kasi nanangkad na kasi siya.
At least hindi siya malubang si Nalina sa mapwa.
How to communicate with my teammates to finish the task in time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manuel.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ay salamat na binigyan ng anak ko ng voucher. Salamat po ako sa Rotary at sa mga Australian for how many years na nakatanggap ng anak ko ng voucher. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday. And any words from Dr. Angela Lowe?
Thank you, everyone. We couldn't have done this together, and it's so rewarding. So everyone feels so happy. I'm also emotional and losing my voice. But we, as an Australian team, we are very privileged to be here with you all and to work with you. And we hope to be able to work on longer term to bring the happiness to the families here in Mindanao. Thank you very much for having us and giving us your wholehearted support and your hospitality. Thank you.
So, the president of Rotary Club of Cotabato East will give a response on that.
Thank you very much. Marami talagang masaya kasi marami tayong binigyan ng voucher itong ating mga beneficiaries. Kami, ang aming puso, talagang kumbaga happy tears talaga kasi nagawa ito ngayon na sa ating mga lahat, lalo na sa Rotaractors, syempre ang ating mga sila si DG Yobe, si DG Darilo, Dr. Angeline, ating dalawang physiotherapists, si Jeremy, and si Lisa. So ating mga Rotarians dito, ating mga officers, so kami ay nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much.
Not everyone in this world is blessed by God. So just like my father is one of the victims of those disability persons. But I am so glad na hindi siya naging severe, na naging katulad talaga sa mga beneficiaries. So nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay God na biniless ako ng dalawang tatay. Well, ang tatay ko kasi na-polio siya, so hindi siya makakalakad ng maayos. Kailangan pa siya i-assist na maglakad.
I've learned how to mingle, socialize, and how to communicate with other people, especially with my team, in order to finish the wheelchairs that will be received by the beneficiaries.
I learned how to assemble the wheelchairs that is given by the donors, and I also learned how to interact with and socialize with others.
Okay, so thank you. How was the experience?
It was fun. It's really, really fun. Lalo na kapag nakikita mong nakasmile yung mga taong tinutulungan mo.
The experience was amazing because I've never experienced that kind of seminar before, and it was pretty memorable because it was also my first time to help others in that kind of seminar.
First, it was hard. Hence, the ones we are helping aren't normal kids like us, like me. They were beneficiaries. There was a problem to their physiological and physical view. If I will put it in a scale, it is 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10, a new experience.
What did you feel?
I feel blessed because I was given the opportunity to help those in need.
I felt the state of euphoria. It is because indeed helping other people is the best way to get happiness, especially when you're not expecting anything in return. Because as a Christian, as a Catholic member, God wanted us to help our neighbors because we should love our neighbors as we love ourselves. And then that is my way of showing other people that loving is not just simply showing it by affection, but of course by showing it to other people that you care, even though that you're not relatives biologically, but then we need to help other people, especially those who are in need.
Were you inspired?
Definitely.
Yes.
Yes, I am absolutely inspired.
Of course, I am inspired.
Yes, I am inspired.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I was inspired. The source of this inspiration was a new learning. If ever I have a new learning, I am very much inspired to do more, to work hard, and of course to help others.
Be the inspiration.
Thank you, Wheelchair for Kids. Be the inspiration. Be the inspiration.